Hello children.
I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we'll be learning about place value, value and face value. We have done this before, but previously we did this for Indian system of numeration. Today, we'll be doing it for international system of numeration. So you can see the table which I have given here is also based on international system of numeration. So let us see the table first. The place value table starts from the right, and the first column we have here is ones column. Then we have tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 million, 100 million and billion. After billion we have 10 billion and 100 billion. So it continues like that. So let us proceed with the first thing, that is place here. To understand what place is, let me just write down a number in the place value table first. So this is the number that we have. Now, to understand the place is the location where a digit is. For example, if I ask you, where is this 5 located? Is it under ones column? Is it under thousands column? Or is it under 10,000s column? So we can easily see, children, that this 5 is under 10,000s column. So we can say that place of 5 is 10,000. Now, if I ask you, what is the place of this 0? Can you tell me where is the 0 located? It is under 10 millions column. Yes, so we'll write place of 0 is 10 million. We can write places of all the digits in similar manner. We just have to write the place where they are coming. Now, I placed the number here, so it was easier for us to tell the places. Let me just take a number without the place value table, and then we'll find the place of different digits. So the number that we have here is this. Now, can you tell me the place of 3, children? So the digit 3, this is in which place? Let us see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So the place of this 3 is 100,000. We cannot say that place of 3 is 300,000. It is wrong. We cannot say this. Place of 3 is not 300,000. It is, I'll just cut this 3. It is just 100,000 because we are just asking about the place. Where is it located? Is it under thousands column? Is it under 10 millions column? Is it under millions column? So it is just asking about the place. So the next thing that we'll move to is place value. For that also, let me just write down a number in the place value table. So this is the number that we have. Now to understand the place value, let us take an example. So let us see what is the place value of this 6. To understand the place value, I am just writing PV here for the place value. Place value of the 6 is 600. So the place value is the value of the 6, and we have to write it like the numeral first, which is there, and after that the place. So it is the place value. And let us also do this thing, which is value here. Value is very much similar to place value, but there is just one difference. When we are writing value, we do not write it like this. We write it like, I'll just write V for value, and it is written as 6 100. So this is the value. When we are writing value, we write it in the numerals, and when we are writing place value, we write it like this, 600. Now, can you tell me, children, what will be the place value of this 6? Is it same as this 6 or will it be different? Yes, it will be different because the 6 is at a different place. So the digits which are placed at different places have different place value. Place values are not the same. The place value of this 6 will be 610 million. So I just write this 6, after that the place. So it is 610 million. Similarly, the value will be 60 millions. So 610 millions is same as 60 millions. So I hope that you have understood what place value and value is. Let us move to the last thing, that is face value. Face value is the value which is visible to you. So let us see the face value of this 2. The face value of this 2 will be 2 only because that is what is visible to us. Similarly, the face value of this 2 is also 2 because that is what is visible to us. We cannot see 2 billion. When we write 2 billion, it is 2 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. But when we are seeing this 2, can we see these zeros also? It's not visible to us. So the face value is the value which is visible to us. It is 2 for this. It is 2 for this also. And what about this 6? It will also have the face value 6 because that is what is visible. What is the face value of this 1? It is 1 only. What is the face value of this 9? It is 9 only. So the face value is what is visible to you. Value is when we write the value of a digit in numerals. And place value is when we write place value as the digit and the place. I wrote the digit here and then the place. So this is the place value. And place is where is it located, where this digit is located. So if I ask you, where is the 7 located in the place value table given to you? Yes, it is in thousands place. Can you tell me, children, which digit is at 100 millions place? You can see and tell me. Yes, it is 5. 5 is in 100 millions place. So we can see the number, we can place the numbers in the place value table, and then we can find place value, value and face value. And we can even do it without the table. We can just check. For example, in this number, we can directly see the place of this 7 by moving from the right hand side towards the left. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So this 7 is at 100,000s place. So I can just do it without the table also. I hope that you have understood the concept of place value, value and face value. So I'll see you in the next video now. Take care and keep learning.